This is the power of the United States High Mobility Artillery Rocket System, better known as HIMARS, a highly advanced weapon system designed for speed, precision, and long-range firepower. Recently, it was put into action once again, this time on Philippine soil. In LA, your Nueva Ecija, a live fire exercise showcased the strength and accuracy of HIMARS. The drill is part of the ongoing Salaknib Exercise, a joint military training between the Philippines and the United States. Along with allied forces, during the exercise, targets were positioned approximately 8 kilometers away. 3 HIMARS units were deployed to engage these targets with precision strikes. But this demonstration only scratches the surface of its true capability. The HIMARS system can strike targets up to 60 kilometers away, far beyond the range. Used in this drill, it is capable of launching up to 6 guided rockets in just a matter of seconds. Each rocket is designed for accuracy, allowing forces to hit targets quickly and effectively. This makes HIMARS a powerful tool for modern warfare, ideal for rapid response and precision attacks in dynamic combat environments. But firing the rockets is only part of the process. Drones and Filipino soldiers on the ground act as forward observers. They identify and track targets, then relay that information to a fire direction system. This system processes the data and sends commands directly to the HIMARS unit, ensuring that each rocket is launched with pinpoint accuracy. This coordination between technology and personnel is what makes the system so effective on the battlefield. HIMARS was first introduced in joint training exercises between the Philippine Army and the United States back in 2022. Since then, it has become a regular part of joint military drills. Its inclusion reflects a growing focus on strengthening defense capabilities and adapting to modern warfare strategies. For the Philippine military, this training is more than just learning how to operate new equipment. It's about building a stronger, more capable defense force. According to Philippine Army Training Command, Commander Major General Michael Logico, these exercises provide valuable experience for Filipino soldiers. They are exposed to different military doctrines, working styles, and operational cultures from allied nations. This allows them to improve their own standards, upgrading their doctrines, tactics, techniques, and procedures. In short, it helps modernize the way the Philippine military prepares for future challenges. Major General Logico also emphasized that systems like HIMARS expand the country's territorial defense capabilities with its extended range. It allows forces to engage targets far beyond traditional artillery limits. This means the Philippines can project defensive capabilities even beyond its immediate territory, providing an additional layer of security without relying solely on naval assets. For the United States Army, the exercise is not just about firing rockets, it's about strengthening combined readiness and improving coordination between allied forces. More importantly, it reinforces the long-standing alliance between the Philippines and the United States, and promotes stability and security across the region. Through modern training exercises like Salaknib and the upcoming Balikatan exercise, the Philippines continues to enhance its defense capabilities. At the same time, it strengthens its partnerships with allied nations, ensuring readiness in the face of evolving security challenges. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on global defense and military news.